everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can log out Bitget account, but before that please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply go ahead, open up your particular Bitget app on your phone. Then over here this kind of interface gonna pop up. Now from over here, go ahead, tap on this option of menu icon given on top left corner. Then you're going to tap on your particular user ID likewise, and once you have done that, you're going to find the profile settings, and as long as you are in that section, you will find this logout option given just right at the bottom. Simply gotta tap on it and you will be able to log out of your account just like that. So that's how easy the process is. Make sure to follow along. Simply go ahead, open it up, and go to your set menu icon, tap on your user ID. So that is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to y'all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.